Hi guys. It's been not a while. It's been like 2 weeks, I believe, since I've uploaded. I'm so sorry. I was gonna actually vlog yesterday, but I was actually doing makeup yesterday all day, you guys, since like 7 in the morning all the way up to like 6 o'clock in the afternoon. So I was pretty busy. But today is Sunday. I really don't know what I'm doing because we're trying to go to South Lake, which is like a mall, because we're trying to go to Bath and Body Works, and I need to go to Victoria's Secret. So I don't know where we're going because my family just decides to like go somewhere and then we go somewhere else. But I missed you guys. Like, I miss vlogging. So I'm gonna try my best to vlog today and upload a video for you guys. So let's just say hi, Angelito. 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 Mira, te hablan.
¿Qué? Un saquito verde, bien verde, pero un color verde.
Mira, Angelito, mira. Espérame, mira. ¿Qué estás mirando? ¿Bebí? Diles hi, Angelito. ¿O qué más?
Está un saquito bien verde, como verde de este color más verde. Es un color bien bonito. Como el de ese, del Sky, que va a ser verde.
Ajá.
Un saquito así, como blanquito, casi como el que traías de piel limpia de color.
Ajá.
Bien bonito, y te iba a hablar, pero...
¿Me hubiera hablado? Yo, Angelito be making the weirdest faces. Watch. Angelito. Dígales dónde estamos.
En misa. Vamos para misa. Quien guste venir.
We're gonna go to church and I think we're gonna go eat after.
Hola. Hola.
Saca todas las paletas.
¿Que no podemos grabar
We just got out of church. ¿Qué? ¿Quién me habla?
Te digo a Dios que le hablo.
We're gonna get ice cream.
We just got out of church and I don't know where we're going right now. I think we're gonna go eat. Okay, Yadiel. He has a soccer game. Say hi, sister. Sister, they missed you, sister.
No, they did not.
Yes, they did. Hold on. Que no casi no se oye.
You have a question for
It's so
you.
embarrassing.
Why is it embarrassing?
We have a question for you.
What happened?
I thought you were afraid of cameras.
No. Sister, y'all, my sister lost 8 pounds. Continue telling them
Okay.
about your weight loss journey.
Oh. So yes, I've lost 8 pounds so far.
Pues si
En
Yadiel
2
no
weeks.
va, si Yadiel no va a comer lo que pues no se puede dar
¿Qué más?
And oh yeah, she lost 8 pounds. What do you do, sister?
Well, if you guys want me to tell you what I do, comment down below. And I will do a video with Lluvia and tell you guys what I'm doing.
Okay.
Yes.
And she dyed her hair too,
Oh, me hice rayitos también.
because she's trying to go back to her teenage years.
Yes. I am a teenager. Because
Love is real when your husband got you on the steering wheel. Oh, that's funny. So we just got to South Lake Mall because we came to go to Bath and Body Works because there's like a sale going on. And I'm trying to go to Victoria's Secret to get some shirts for work, but we have like some time, like an hour to get everything. So I don't know if we're gonna have enough time to get everything that we want. But yeah, I did. See?
A ver, están bonitas así. A ver.
Ahorita las enseño. Angelito.
Sí, es que yo no tengo con ellos ninguna.
¿Te subimos a un caballito, Angelito?
Wow.
You want a horsey, Angelito?
Angelita, vente. Mira, he does want one.
We better go to Bath and Body Works and Victoria's Secret because my mom wants some candles and I want some shirts. Agarra su bolsa.
Yo no quiero. Luego.
Pues yo sí. So now we came to see Yadiel play because he's in a soccer team. You ready? Come on, go play. With us.
Bueno, pues continuamos con un para todos ustedes. Gracias por sus pausas. Continuamos con un para todos ustedes. Si alguien gusta meter la canción, háganlo saber. Y aquí la vamos a hacer.
Angelito, wait. Angelito, wait. What you want? ¿No va a querer algo?
Venderán un poquito.
No tienen.
¿Cómo quieres?
No.
Se parece a Lluvia.
Yadiel. I'm gonna show you guys what I got at Bath and Body Works. There's someone like looking at me, but it's all good. My bad. So I got at Bath and Body Works a lot of stuff because they had the buy 3 get 3 free, and then I got candles because they were $10 off, and I think that's all I got. I got this Bahamas fine fragrance mist.